So in math this week, we're going to be working on line graphs. We're going to be interpreting, representing, and comparing data. So the directions for each of these slides can really be found on the weekly assignment sheet that I give out to you guys, such as this week, we have part 1, 2, and 3. This is the order in which we would like for you to work on each of the slides. That way it kind of goes in sequential order. The independent practice are must-dos. This is really where we're seeing how you work independently. So please make sure that you do complete these. These are not optional. They need to be completed each week. The optional slides here, I've shown on slide 10 of the main math assignment. So I'll go over that in just a few minutes as well. But any of the may-dos are going to be on that last slide. So I'm going to go back to the math slide. We do have a little bit more word problems for you guys this week, since that seemed to be one of our essential objectives that we need to be working on right now, and something that we did kind of struggle on throughout the school year, continuing to practice. So we have 3 of them for you guys this week. So make sure you read them carefully. And remember, when you're working on the word problems, you can use your Desmos calculator. Be sure you're picturing what is going on. You may even want to do a little drawing of what is going on in the story, because that's what word problems are. They're basically stories, and you're trying to solve the story. Okay, so make sure you think about what the question's asking and what's really going on in that story. So on slides 5, this is where you're going to be watching videos. This is going to be your introduction to line graphs. I know you worked with bar graphs last year in 3rd grade if you were here in Virginia Beach Public Schools. Line graphs is going to be something new for you guys this year. Pretty much the same. It's just the way that you really represent them on a graph is going to be what's different. So watch these videos and they'll show you exactly how you plot them and then connect those lines together, okay? Slides 6 through 9. These are all going to be those independent practice questions. And remember, they are the must-dos. So make sure that based on this graph, you answer all of these questions. So the same thing with 7 and 8. You're going to have different line graphs this week, and you're going to have to answer questions based on those. This one is a little bit different than the other ones because here you're going to have to actually type in your answer. Slide 9, it is still a must-do as part of your independent practice, but here is where you're using this graph and you're going to just highlight your answer. So this is giving you multiple choice. So just based on what you see here, choose the correct answer. So this is slide 10. These are going to be those may-dos. These are things that you may continue working on for extra practice. And after you have completed all of your may-dos, please make sure that you submit. And again, that goes back to slide 1. At the end of the week, make sure that you have submitted your slides to me, okay? Remember, I give you till Friday to get the assignments done before then I start emailing your parents to make sure that they are aware of how you have been participating in class. So make sure that you guys are keeping up to date on all the assignments, okay? If you have any questions on this week's math assignments, let me know by the discussion board or have your parents email me. All right, take care.